Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can integrate Calendly with Webflow. So Calendly offers multiple integration paths with Webflow from simple embed to advanced API implementation. You can use embed code for quick setup, pop-up widgets, or for wide site scheduling, or even build custom integration using Calendly's API for maximum control over the booking experience and data synchronization. So let's start by using the code embeds and widgets. So basically, Calendly provide three embed methods that work seamlessly with Webflow. The inline embed displays your scheduling interface directly within page contents, perfectly for dedicated booking pages. You can access this via your Calendly event type, share, add to websites, and inline embed, and copy the generated code and paste it into your Webflow embed elements. So it's very simple. You can follow this very easily, and you will be able to do it. For those who doesn't know, you simply have to go to Calendly, have yourself an account already there, and simply create an account as you will be seeing right now. So once you create an account, you would need to create a calendar or booking thing, whatever you would like to have. I forgot to give it the access, but that doesn't matter. I am on my own, etc. So that's the basic stuff. Recruiting, next, Google Calendar. Yeah, I didn't give it the access, so let's give it the access. Here we go. And once you're done with that, so once you create an account and create the calendar and everything is perfect, then comes the next thing. So this is like what you are looking for. Okay, let's keep it as it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it in Google Meet as the call. And now let's wait for it. And let's create. So let's create a new schedule, one-for-one invite or something like that. And here you can find your integration apps and stuff like that. So now what you need to actually do is to actually create yourself like a one-to-one invite, and this should give you also not only a code, but it will create the whole call process and environment for you. So once you create it, go here to your website, go find code embed, and you can add here the code that you will get from Calendly. Very easy, very simple. Once you're done, click on publish, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, thank you guys, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.